Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my class Introduction to Universal Human Values. Universal human values are the ethical principles that transcend cultural, religious, and geographical boundaries, serving as the moral compass guiding human behavior. These values, shared by people of diverse backgrounds, promote harmony, empathy, and cooperation in our global society. The present education system has become largely skill based. The prime emphasis is on science and technology. However, the science and technology can only help to provide the means to achieve what is considered valuable in terms of facilities. Basic human values refer to those values which are at the core of being human. The values which are considered basic inherent values in humans include truth, honesty, loyalty, love, peace, etc. because they bring out the fundamental goodness of human beings and society at the large. What is the value of education? Harmony is usually identified as human value, referring to compatibility and accord in feelings, actions, relationships, opinions, interests, etc. It denotes a state of balance among forces influencing and even opposing one another. What to do, what is important is what is valuable. The value of an entity is its participation in the larger order of which it is a part. For example, the value of a pen is that it can write. Writing is the participation of the pen in the larger order in which it is present along with paper and human being. For human beings, this larger order includes other human beings, plants, air, water, soil, minerals, animals, birds, etc. It is nothing but the entire nature or existence. The value of human being is its participation in this entire nature or existence. Hence, to understand human values, we need to study the human reality along with all that is there is in the entire nature or existence, which constitutes the larger order. The role of human being is to understand and fulfill its relationship with each and every unit in the existence or in the nature. The part of education that deals with understanding of one's participation in the larger order and thus ensuring it in living is called value of education. Levels of living human being. There are 4 levels: individual, family, society, nature or existence. Individual means my value for myself. Example, ensuring happiness in the self and health. Family, my value in the family. Example, ensuring feeling of relationship and prosperity of the family. Then what is the level of society? It is nothing but my value in the society. For example, to participate in the systems for justice, peace and harmony. The 4th level of living human being is nature or existence. My value in the nature. What is then my value in the nature? It is nothing but mutual fulfillment with the rest of nature. Then what is the need for value education. Correct identification of our aspirations. Understanding universal human values to fulfill our aspirations in continuity. Complementary of skills and values. Evaluation of our beliefs. Technology and human values. The basic guidelines for value education. The value for a unit will come with its participation in the larger order. Identification of values is based on realization and understanding. Human values is equal to value of human beings is its participation in the larger order. The participation of human being is the form of behavior and work. The values of behavior are as 9 parts in a relationship: trust, respect, affection, care, guidance, reverence, gratitude, glory, and love. Working with material things, ensuring their right utilization, enrichment, and protection is the human value. This is an important guideline in value education. The value of human being is its participation that leads to harmony at all these levels. In human interaction, living in accordance with human values leads to mutual happiness. Your happiness and happiness of the other human being. In human rest of nature interaction, living in accordance with human values leads to mutual prosperity. Your prosperity and prosperity of rest of nature. From the above all, we can understand the meanings of some words. Understanding what to do, learning how to do, doing use of skills, value of education, skills, skill development, and finally skills guided by values. It is nothing but practice. Finally, we have content of value education. To understand the other entities in nature, their interconnectedness and coexistence and role of human being in nature. And final content is to understand harmony at the 4 levels of human living. Thank you.